Well, went to get the old bedding chopper fired up, and wouldn't you know, here's the pull cord, and I thought, well, that ain't gonna work. So, get you guys set up here. Yeah, tear the pull cord apart and see what's wrong. See if we can put that on. Nope, that ain't gonna go on there. I don't know why not. Maybe on like that, huh? On like that, maybe? If I don't hit it, maybe that would work. And this job is going well enough, I thought I'd grab me a beverage. Of course, yesterday 50 degrees, sunny and nice. Today 10 degrees, wind blowing, snowing. And there's breakdowns. That's how it goes. Can't ever be nice. Taken apart. Oh, you see in there? Let's see. The cord seems to be wrapped around. I don't know. It's not good. So, maybe we can pull this. Matter, girls. Back. I don't know. I'm not sure what happened here. Oh, tearing these apart is a blast. Of course, that's the wrong size. It'd be silly. Why would that be the same? Crescent wrench should go get a sock. Nope. My God, there it comes. Should be a set of dogs in here. Yep. Oh, just one dog. One dog and a spring. Oh, that guy's sitting there. Nice thing about shooting a video, you can rewind the video and if you forget how it goes together. Well, before I take that out, better tear that apart. Get that. That just wants to stab me. There we are. Oh, that knot looks 100 years old. I thought I had this thing apart before. I don't remember. Let's see what kind of knot's in there. Hang on a minute. Oh. Oh, that's ugly. Alright. Enough of messing with that. Alright. That went in there. That goes on there. And that possibly can come out of there. Well, that spring's wanting to come out of there. That's great. Them clock springs, those are a joy to play with. Just an absolute joy. Let's see what happens. Usually, they come out and wrap around your neck. Usually. On there. Oh. Hey, don't do that. Stay on there. Daggone it. Oh. What kind of surprises do we have here? Okay. So that cord's been out of there for quite a while. Evidently. Because I would imagine that this disc goes in here. I would imagine to keep that clock spring from catching on something. I'm not sure what that is. Probably the extra piece of this disc, if I was to guess. Let's put that down here. Put that facing down. Okay, where is that little hook? Needs to hook in that guy right there. You see? Trying to get that so we'll take a picture. And this there we are. Well, before we get too excited, let's put these parts back on. Go out of the light so I can see. Yeah, like that. And that one held that guy down. And that guy went on there. Right? Whoop! Oh, yo. There, probably like that, huh? Okay, that's locked down. So, you want to turn these so it has a little tension, so it pulls the cord back. When you, probably one turn would be enough, huh? Maybe? Hey, down on there. That's not enough. There we go. Well, hey, look at there. Now, need to pull this out. Stick that guy back on. Stick that guy. Oop. I've been noticing that when it's this cold and I try to film, the camera shuts off. It's awful handy. And just like that, all the progress that was gained is lost. There. Well, what in the devil's going on here? Still not right? Oh, might be too tight. Hopefully we didn't waste all that time to what in the devil happened there? That guy has jumped ship. my dog in the spring there, but I